Welcome to Pangea Park, a Viera Builders community that is currently under construction. The community boasts 33 different floor plans across 6 different collections, and when completed, there will be over 650 residences. Today we're going to tour a Peyton floor plan that's just about finished to look at some of the features available within these Pangea Park homes. Now the features do vary depending upon which of the 6 collections your home is in, and in many instances you can upgrade from the standard offerings. Are you ready to take a look? Let's head inside. Viera Builders is a premier builder in Viera, and they deliver an amazing product. As you can see by this beautiful kitchen, the attention to detail and the quality of work is immediately seen. This particular home has opted for an upgraded gourmet kitchen. They also have upgraded soft close drawers and these beautiful quartz countertops. A Samsung appliance package with a stainless steel gas range, a stainless steel oven and microwave combination, and a stainless steel Energy Star rated dishwasher are included with this upgrade. However, you are on your own for a fridge. Additionally, a Delta Voice IQ faucet comes with each home. One of my favorite items included in a home are these 42-inch maple cabinets. They have roll-out drawers in the bottom, which make finding stuff in the back of the cabinet a breeze. And the features don't stop in the kitchen. Delta faucets and fixtures and comfort height elongated commodes, my personal favorite, because you should be comfortable in the commode, are all included in the bathrooms. This home has the upgraded power pantry, which is amazing. It includes the upper cabinets, tons of counter space, and a sink with garbage disposal, and that same Delta IQ faucet that you have in the kitchen. Lights in all bedroom closets and a tankless gas water heater are included standard with each home. In this particular home, they've upgraded to recessed lights in all of the bedrooms, the office, and the living room. Now, for storm protection, Viera Builders include impact-rated front doors and energy-friendly, double-paned, low-E, impact-resistant windows on the front lower levels of the homes. There is an option to upgrade to impact-resistant windows throughout the entire home if you prefer not having to deal with putting shutters up. Smart home features that help with overall security and connectivity to your home, as well as a video doorbell, are also included. This particular home has the upgraded extended lanai, which is an amazing feature. Look at all the covered outdoor space. Isn't it great? This is awesome for bringing the outside in when the weather's nice, as well as for when entertaining. You can also enjoy the outdoor space when it isn't so nice outside. And while Pangea is an HOA community, Viera does allow for your landscaping plan to be customized to your liking. Now you do have to adhere to county requirements, but it's nice to know that not every single home will have the exact same landscaping outside. Pangea Park is a fantastic community with beautiful homes. It has quick and easy access to I-95, and as an added bonus, it's located next to the only Costco in all of Brevard County. If you'd like more information on Pangea Park or any community in Viera West, reach out to me directly. As a Viera West resident, I can certainly help you with your home buying and selling needs. Thanks for joining me on the tour, and I look forward to seeing you around here.